So I happened to sit for the pre-placement talk also for Conagra, and it's actually Agrotech Foods. Okay, so they're an affiliate of Conagra worldwide. So, and I was really impressed with the work that they're doing, and also about they had a structured program like an internship, which was they had a proper plan in place that this is the procedure that you're going to go through, and plus definitely not to miss out that it was an FMCG, and definitely FMCGs are a very attractive segment. So, and I'm a student of marketing, so it looked like a very good opportunity for me to grab. So, and being in the placement talk also, that also gave me a good idea about the company, their culture, and I think their culture also attracted me to an extent. So my profile was in sales, and my project title was understanding the business from the ready stock units. So what exactly was, it was more of understanding a new channel that the company was opening, and there are like two ways of going for delivery for products, which is one is order booking units, which is when the salesman goes to the shop and he takes the order and the supply happens the next day or the same day. And with ready stock units, what happens is that the salesman goes with the ready stock in his tempo or rickshaw, and they supply on the spot to retailers, and this is generally done for small volume retailers. So, and it was primarily sales, and I was on visits with salesmen, and I had to look into the business, understand the business, then make my recommendations of getting the unit profitable. So my exposure to the company was very less because I was mostly on field, but during the times that I did go to the office, so like it had a very let's say relaxed atmosphere, and like you could approach anyone. So, and even my mentor, like whenever I got the opportunity to him, he was very helpful, and that is something also very critical, that your mentor is supportive and he believes in your work. That is important for the company, and you also believe that your work is important for the company. But even in the placement talk, like when the HR was there and presenting, so there was also some emphasis on the culture, that it is like relaxed and you can like approach anyone in the office if you have any doubts. So that way I really enjoyed over there. So my first advice would be that sign up for the jobs that you really want to do. Like sign up for those sectors where you really want to work for. For example, like, and be clear with that also. Like don't go for anything that charms you. Like for example, I had a commerce background, so I knew which companies I would get maybe a preference, or maybe they would be looking for my kind of talent. And I did not have an IT background, so I was not at all looking for any IT consulting firm. So you need to have that kind of a belief in you, that okay, you need to be clear that which sector you want to apply. Then secondly, I can speak about the FMCG sector, that it looks very attractive, it looks very glamorous, but actually the job is not at all glamorous. Like I had to roam around in 42 degrees in the heat with an auto rickshaw. So like what it seems, it what is not actually that is true. And so for preparation, definitely like one advice that I got from my senior would be that whenever you sign up for a company, you start preparing it for that company since that time, not when you get a shortlist from them. Because then what happens during the time of the placement, sometimes you like just get to know a day before, or sometimes even an hour before that you've been shortlisted, and then you start panicking and start preparing for the company. So prepare beforehand, then definitely be up to date with the current affairs and general trends in the industry. Like for example, whichever industry that company is from, be it automobiles or FMCG or even hardware or software. So just make sure that you are well prepared about whatever is going on in that industry. And in GDPI, be a good student in your BCBD and brand new classes, and those like they do help. And also take opinion from your very good friends, because they know you as a person, and they would see how you're coming across as a person in the group discussion. So take advice from them, because then they are like your true advisors actually.